So in this video, you learn how to change the app icon color on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you want to change the color of how the app icon looks like, then what you're going to do is just to navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you're then going to scroll and select the option Wallpaper and Style. And then from here, you're going to choose color palette. So the first step is to ensure that the color palette feature is enabled. And once it's been enabled and you've decided the current color palette that you wish to use, whether it's from the wallpaper or it's from other basic colors, then what you're going to do is just tap on the toggle next to Apply Palette to App Icons. Once you've tapped on it like that, you can see how it would look like in the preview. So you can go ahead and still change the app palette if you want to. And once you find the option that suits your needs, you're then going to tap on Apply. Once you've selected Apply, wait a few moments, and then now, whenever you glance at the home screen or apps drawer, you'll see all the app icons colors have been changed to suit the colors that you've just chosen. And so that's how you can change the app icon color on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.